Okay, when you're using your 40 millimeter grenade shells, if you run out of those little silicone rubber caps that hold the BBs in, what you can do, an alternative here is take one of these little rigid foam meat trays you get at the store when you buy some meat. I save them because of this nice rigid foam. And what I've got here is a 3/4 inch outside diameter piece of stainless steel pipe, real thin wall, and I sharpen the edge with a file so it's nice and sharp. So it'll cut real easy into this foam. And you can cut out some rings here, or discs. Just twist, push. Get nice little discs here. You can cut out a bunch of these and have them with you. So you don't have to buy any more of those rubber ones. But anyway, fill this up with some BBs. Put some BBs in here. A couple too many, maybe. Get a nice, tight-fitting little plug. You hear it squeak when it went down in there. The BBs won't come out. So there you go. Easy peasy.